Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll a little bit and tap on the display. Now we have to enter the wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from Google Photos, which is actually your own gallery, or the wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones. So let me enter this option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. What's more, if you've changed your mind and if you'd like to set something from your own gallery, simply tap on My Photos. You do not have to get back to previous menu. So as you can see here we've got some, as I said, here we've got some options to choose from, and all you have to do in order to check the preview is to simply tap on the one you'd like to see, you'd like to check, and if you like your option, if you like the option you just set, simply tap on Set Wallpaper in the left upper corner. And as you can see right now we can decide where we want to set it, so we can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I think I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Here we've got the information that we just successfully set the wallpaper, so let's go back and check. And as you can see this is our home screen. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.